It's simple time! This is Chef Tatong and today magluluto tayo ng isang recipe na galing sa Bicol, ang laing.
Simple, luto na, ha-ha.
This recipe is part of the Simple Cookbook series and we are trying to make cooking as simple as ABC. Kaya simulan na natin yung ating recipe today. Unang-una, yung ating laing is the dried gabi leaves, no? So it's very important na you wash it, no? You rinse it para alam nating malinis siya. And medyo nababad siya ng konti para hindi na siya masyadong matagal lutuin at mag-absorb ng too much liquid. And yung gagawin ko dito, meron tayong options na pangpalasa, no? Pwede tayong gumamit ng baboy, pwede tayong gumamit ng hipon, dried fish, pwede din tayong gumamit ng bagoong. So yung gagamitin ko dito for this recipe is pork belly. Yan, lalagay ko yung pork belly. Arrange it. Arrange natin yung baboy sa ilalim. Lalagyan natin ng sibuyas. Yan. Just arrange everything. And luya. So meron akong luya dito, meron akong minced na luya. So, other people also like to pound it, no? Papakita ko lang, we can pound the ginger. So, idadagdag ko pa rin siya dito sa aking recipe. And meron akong labahita dito. So, ito may dried labahita. I'm just going to flake it, no? Lalagay ko lang siya sa ilalim. We'll make it as simple as possible. So, that's good enough. And I put my gabi leaves on top, no? Squeeze out ko lang yung excess water. And it's a good way din, no? Pag dry natin, we rehydrate it para ma-open up natin yung leaves, makita natin kung may dumi or may mga insects inside. So, that's what we do. Let's put a little water. I'll add around a cup of water. Yan, para may enough siyang liquid. And lalagyan ko siya ng 2 cups to 3 cups of gata. I'm just using 1/4 kilo of the laing, dried laing leaves. Kasi when it's dehydrated, talagang ang gaan-gaan niya, pero ang 1/4 kilo, medyo marami na siya as usual. And we just turn on the heat. Lalagyan ko lang siya ng konting patis, pangdagdag lasa. We're using Datu Puti patis, just around 1 to 2 tablespoons. And I cover my pot and wait for it to simmer. And let's check on our laing. So, we've been cooking for around 15 minutes now. And unti-unting nagre-reduce na yung ating liquid. So, ibig sabihin ng reduce ay hindi yung pagpapayat ko, kundi yung pagkonti ng ating sabaw, no? So, yun. Buti pa yung sauce natin nagre-reduce. So, ideally, hindi natin hahaluin yung ating laing until it's fully cooked para sigurado tayong hindi siya magiging makate. Yun ang paniniwala ng marami. Pero actually, it's very important to cook it for a very long time para mag-break down yung kanyang compounds na nagkukos ng kati sa lalamunan. And the laing has been cooking for around 25 minutes. Makikita mo na nag-wilt na yung ating laing, lumambot na siya, and nag-reduce na yung ating sauce. So we will add more gata. Ang key talaga sa masarap na laing is maraming gata. So usually ako pag naglalaing ako, 1 kilo na laing na dried leaves, 10 niyog yung ginagamit ko, no? And I will add 1 more cup and a half of coconut cream. Yan. And if you want it to be spicy, of course, it's laing, it has to be spicy. Dito na natin ilalagay yung ating siling labuyo, ating chilies, yan. And also, it's optional if you want to add shrimps, you can add shrimps. And this is the time I usually add my shrimps into my laing. Put my shrimp over. So people who are intimidated in cooking laing, ito, just follow this video. And I just cover my pot and let it simmer until nakikita ko na medyo naglalangis na yung gilid ng aking laing. Gagawin ko lang ngayon is I'll just open my pot para mag-evaporate siya and mag-render na yung ating langis. I just check every now and then, chine-check ko lang talaga siya na hindi siya tumutong sa ilalim para it doesn't burn. Sobrang bago na dito sa kusina. Yan. Beautiful. And let's plate. If I'm using canned gata or powdered gata, I add a tablespoon or 2 of virgin coconut oil para lumabas talaga yung aroma ng fresh coconuts. So here it is, our version of laing. So simple to do, just like ABC. Kaya tandaan nyo, kahit sino kaya magluto, basta simple! Mga ka-simple, remember, loving is sharing. Kaya share this video and like nyo na rin. Kain muna ako. Bye!